friends. Today we are going to start some more concepts related to algorithm and flowchart. Before learning any programming language, it is necessary to clear the logic. The definition of a logic, what it says, it is common sense. So logic is important in each and every programming language. The definition of algorithm, what it says, it is writing steps in your own language. That is what the definition of an algorithm. Say for example, daily go to school at 7 a.m. That is a program. So what are the steps that comes in our mind? Wake up early, then do your regular activity, then get ready, then go to school. So these are the steps that comes in our mind. So this is the algorithm for going to the school. So these are the steps that I have written in my own language. That is the concept of algorithm. Now, the concept of flowchart. The definition of a flowchart is, it is a graphical representation of an algorithm. So flowchart is nothing but it is a graphical representation of an algorithm. So several symbols are used inside flowchart. The first one is this, that is a start stop. Then this is what the concept of input output. Then there is a concept of process box. Then there is a condition box, and then there is a concept of flow of lines. So these are some of the symbols which are used inside, particularly in flowchart. So say for example, if I want to draw a flowchart that performs addition of two numbers, so for that I am just writing or drawing a flowchart. So flowchart for performing addition of two numbers is like this. First of all, always a flowchart starts with the symbol start. Then we would like to perform addition of two numbers, so get the two numbers from the uses that are A and B, say for example. Then perform the addition of the two numbers. This is what I did, addition of two numbers. Once the addition is done, then whatsoever the answer that we are getting, that is stored inside C. So print the value of C and then stop. So this is a flowchart that performs addition of two numbers. Similarly, various flowcharts can be done. So logic plays an important role before learning any programming language. And for the development of logic, there are two things. The first is algorithm, and the second is a flowchart, which is very much important. And as a student, whenever we are learning a programming language, so we have to concentrate on this algorithm and flowchart. So it's advisable before learning any programming language, you can learn this algorithm and flowchart. If it's there in your syllabus, then it's fine. Otherwise, you have to work on this, and it's advisable. and for more information you can subscribe on our channel, and my channel name is Jai Parmar. You can subscribe this channel and you can get more videos regarding this technology and everything once you subscribe.